But not the least, hello Natalie! Okay, so si Natalie medyo jolly. Siya ang medyo jolly ng kid. Okay, Natalie, can you introduce yourself to us? Would you like to say hi to your friends? Hi. And what's your name? My name is Natalie. And how old are you, Natalie? How much? How old? 4 years old. And what are your hobbies? What did you do when you were at home?
Do you love playing?
Do you have your pet? Do you have a pet? No? So what did you do?
I like playing with my toys.
Okay, so she loves playing with her toys. Okay.
What toys do you have? Do you have kitchen sets?
Yeah.
The Barbie. There you go. So let's give a big hands to Natalie. Okay, so let's try ha. So this one is Jared, Joseph, Erin, Natalie, Arthur.
Oh, very good. Very good, Natalie.
Okay, next. Say hi. What's your order? What's your order? Where's this one? The chicken. You ask her, is it with fries and beans? Brewed coffee na. Iced coffee na. Kainin ko. And is it with fries and iced coffee ba nila? Alaking ko. Coke lang ha. No fries. Press this one. Nagalit na alaking. Okay, no one more. No more. Yes. And the Coke. Yes.
Sige, go na. Sige,
No, not the word. 490 for your total bill. Oh, baby. Say it. 294.
294.
I receive 500. Say it. I receive 500.
Kaya mo?
Press the 500, baby. Very good.
Isa ka na sa bilis.
Yes.
Sige niya ba? Dapat pinahanap natin natin yung order number 30.
Give them some chicken. Can you give this one?
Wait. After the
One.
fish.
100. I'll give the cheese. 200.
Six.
About the receipt, even the receipt. Here's your receipt. Have a great day. Say have a great day. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Wait lang, si Erin. Erin! Saan ang si
Sana 1,000 yung binigay mo. Grabe naman, oh. Saan yung party? Sa bahay. Uy, Natalie. Uy, wow.
Okay, so there you go. Good job. Please give yourself a big
How about the others pa? Finish your color.
Okay pa, Mama. Okay pa, Mama.
Natalie, give this order, Natalie. It's your mom's order. Give the order, baby. Be careful.
Thank you, my love.
One more, baby. One more.
Thank you. Okay. Ali, smile.
Natalie, Are you thirsty na? Oh, here.
Sir, ikot kami isa pa. Thank you.
Ma'am, painumin ko na
Yes po.
dehydrate na siya. Wow na daw siya. Ayoko na wow yung mga kilig ko eh. Oh, Natalie,
Thank
you want some? Arthur, orange? You want orange?
Ali, smile. Hi, you can hear me, Natalie. How are you?
Good.
Okay, kindly take my order,
Thank
please.
you, Ida.
Okay. So, here's my order. Can you hear me? Okay, one double cheeseburger.
Okay.
One double cheeseburger. For drink, berry. Meal, one
Mommy.
one double cheeseburger meal. I like berry drink.
Outside.
Okay, and then one plain cheeseburger meal with large.
Outside.
Yes, that's upgraded to large fries and orange juice, please.
It is large.
Yeah, make it large, please, Natalie.
That's all.
Yeah, that's
Sunday. One caramel sundae.
and one caramel sundae, please. Do you want me to repeat my order?
Ma'am, bali order po nila double cheeseburger with cold berry na large and then large fries. Ma'am, shake fries
Hindi
with
po.
a double cheese.
No. Plain fries.
Okay po. Large cold berry and large fries, ma'am. Tama po. And then yung sa cheeseburger, ma'am.
Plain lang.
Okay po.
Okay.
Caramel sundae.
Caramel sundae din.
Okay po.
This
Yung
orange
sa
juice
cheeseburger, ma'am, large. Ano
Orange,
pong kasama?
orange juice yun.
Okay po.
Alright.
Thank you, ma'am. Last window na lang po.
Thank you.
Sobrang cute ni Natalie. Yummy.
Gutom na. Natin in-order na ng gusto niya.
Nag-double shift yung aso.
Hi! How's my order? Where's my order, Natalie?
Nakapag-selfie ba tayo?
Selfie tayo.
Kaya nga eh.
How much? 470. Okay. Natalie.
Ali, smile.
Credit card?
Parang wala sa kinetic.
Sige. I'll use my credit card, Natalie. Okay? Hold on. I'm searching for it.
Cheese. Let's put some cheese.
Lagyan mo ng cheese. Kamay mo na lang.
Put some cheese, Andres. I heard you love cooking, right, Andres? That's your time. Yes, my Okay. Do we put some cheese now? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay lang yan, Arthur.
Gutom na yung crew niyo.